Let's get to the point. This new hotel in Batangas, named Soto Grande Hotel and Convention Center, has one of the biggest function rooms in the area of Batangas City. Kung may event kayo, they can handle 800 to 1,000 people. Sa dami ng cute sa Batangas, ready na ang malaking function room para sa kasal namin ng future soulmate ko. Na feeling ko taga Batangas talaga siya. And let's be honest, I was invited by Soto Grande Hotel and Convention Center to visit their place, na super galing and maalaga ang staff. Mas maalaga pa sa ex ko. They are in Bawan, Batangas, and can I just say, ang daming cute talaga sa Batangas. Magical yata ang tubig dito, pati ang isda super hot. Kasi parang nasa Batangas ang soulmate ko, kahit soft opening pa lang sila, I toured Soto Grande Hotel na rin para ready na kami ng wedding planner ko. And these are the 10 areas na tumatak. Number 1, may welcome drinks pag-arrive ng delicious. Masarap talaga ang totoong cucumbers. Number 2, I love the chair sa main lobby. I love the shade of orange-red. Lahat ng tao nagiging extra cute when wearing red. Number 3, panalo ang transparent doors ng elevator. Number 4, maganda ang room. Syempre sa kasal namin, single bed na siya. Super laki rin ng TV, lalong nakakatakot ang train to Busan. Love ko rin na may bathtub, lakas makasosyal kahit affordable ang hotel. Message them na lang about their affordable room rate. Number 5, may gym sila pero finishing construction pa. Number 6, steakhouse sila na finishing construction touches na lang din with great views of the area. Number 7, the biggest function room ng Soto Grande Hotel, na one of the biggest function rooms sa Batangas City also. Number 8, may other function rooms din sila. Yung outdoor function room nila, pwede sa merienda after the wedding day. Number 9, dahil sa pagod after the wedding, gusto ko mag-night swimming kami ni soulmate kasi may jacuzzi and changing lights ang pool ni Soto Grande Hotel. Number 10, the calm dining room nila na may musical guests every Friday. Malapit pala ang Soto Grande Hotel sa mga tourist spots, which I will feature sa next video. So I'll see you sa next video and hopefully makita ko rin ang soulmate ko sa next one. Click follow for the next story.